So here's my second Paris video for this particular trip, and this is just going to show you all the other places that we visited. So Laelo I visited on my birthday, so this will be on the other video, but I wanted to show you a little bit more of this place. So the first time we went, we had the croissant, which had ham and cheese in it. That they also do all these cakes that you can see. So these are the big cakes, they've got little cakes, some really nice hot drinks. They even sell things like fish and chips. They do quite a lot here, so it is worth going and worth mentioning again. So this was the croissant. That was the baguette that we had the second day, which is gluten-free as well, which was amazing. And that was Leo's macchiato with brownie. So yeah, they do a hell of a lot there. It's quite a wide range, and their cakes are really good still. So while it's not quite like VG patisserie level, their cakes are still really, really good. So they're definitely worth checking out for being like a good all-rounder. And yeah, there's me eating cake because, you know, any old excuse to eat cake. So definitely check out Laelo. Now, this place next was recommended by Mary at Jay&Jay, and it turns out it's only just down the road from Laelo, because we were staying at Garden North, so all of these places were really, really close to us. So this is Jah Jah, and it's even got some Vader graffiti above it, which is vegetables and fruit. How cool is that? So this place is, I think it's marketed as Afro-vegan, so it is Jamaican style food, and it's just a really, really nice place. So they have like different bowls every day, so this is their like daily menu here, and they also have kind of like a set side menu. So we went for the sides because we wanted to try a couple of different things. So we went for the hot dog and for the fried plantains. Then as well we could like share a dessert later. So with the hot dog you get guacamole on it, fried onions, what else did you get, like tomatoes, peppers and coriander. They were really, really nice. It's a nice combination with that. And with the fried plantains, you got a side of guacamole, which isn't, both of us were like, this is not something that I would necessarily put together, like thinking on it, but it's actually like a great combination. So why have I not thought of this before? But it was all brilliant. It was really, really nice. We also had, you can see it kind of there. Oh, it's gone now. Some hot drinks. I had a beetroot latte which came with an edible flower on top. Leo had a smoothie, and this was the cake that we decided to share afterwards. So this was a chocolate hazelnut cake, and it came with fruit and a little kind of compote on the side. The cake was like really, really crumbly, so it definitely needed that compote, but it was really, really nice. So they have, like, again, quite a range of things. So that was my beetroot latte, and that was Leo's smoothie, which had peach and mint in it. It was a really nice combination. Last of all, even though this was the first place we visited, Hank Vegan Pizza. Now, I've mentioned about their burger place before, so this is why we wanted to do the pizza place this time. Now, they do a couple of set menus, so you can buy the slices individually. They're €5 each, or you can do like the mini menu, which is this, where you get 2 slices of pizza, 2 sides. Or you can do the maxi menu, which is 2 slices of pizza, 2 sides and a drink. So there were 4 pizzas on that day. We got 2 each, split them in half, and then that meant we got to try all of the pizzas. So that was all really, really good. It came with a side of salad, which has got like sesame marinated chickpeas in it. And the dessert was a hazelnut chocolate. Again, hazelnut chocolate. I don't know what the obsession is with this, but, you know, it was bloody good. Hazelnut chocolate slice.